Hey guys, Onkar here from Simply Retrofits. Quickly wanted to introduce our T5s under cabinet fixtures. We get a lot of questions about these, and so we have these under cabinet 1 foot, 2 feet, 3 feet, and 4 feet. So, and they both have the connectors on the side. They each can interconnect. Just simply plug it in, and this switch is for color temperature. So 3000, 4000, and 5000 K in one. Each set of T5 comes with a connector and the mounting accessories. So very easy to install, and you can also purchase additional accessories. So you have that male to female wire that can anytime there's a bend or something, that can easily connect two of the T5s. And that's a direct power line, and this, by the way, works 110 volts, so you don't have to worry about getting a driver or anything like that. And that's a switch and a wire box. So sometimes if you need a switch to install, you can use this. This works just as good as any switch. So here we have one. We just plugged it in. It's simple plug and play in there. Just plug it in and plug it on this side. Is a color temperature. This is 3000K, 4000K. Sorry, this is 3000K, 4000K, and 5000K. And now you can basically add to that. You can add another one to it, and it's that simple, guys. Switch. So yeah, pretty cool product, and we've had really good success with this. So very good quality as well. Give us a call, or you can visit our website at simplyretrofits.com for more information. Thank you.